Adapt IT is very focused on driving its industry verticals. We do stay close to our customers and drive improvements and helping our customers achieve more. This event is a wonderful opportunity to get back together with the leaders of our customer institutions and to work together towards a better future. Our technologies primarily enable business efficiencies and business operation. But more and more, we're getting into the revenue cycle to support our clients to create new revenue streams. Today, we launched a new product, eCPO. It's a marketplace where customers can buy gift cards, gift vouchers for themselves, for their customers, for their clients, as a way to support the industry to create new revenue streams. This is an industry that's just been through the eye of the storm, let's put it that way. The pandemic hit most industries really hard, but probably hospitality had the hardest knock of all. Technology is an enabler for businesses. It must drive efficiencies and it must support them through change. And specifically, when industry goes through a lot of change, they require the tools to support them through that change. The pandemic was no different. If you can't walk into a restaurant to eat anymore, but you're allowed to do takeaways, then now your solutions must support you in a different business model. And that's what technology does. Technology must bring the enablers for business through change. And the pandemic obviously created a lot of that. Adapt IT brought a lot of new products and solutions to its customers to support them through new business models in a changed environment.
I think technology is quite key in aiding the industry to recover from the pandemic. And you would have seen that throughout lockdown, we've had the rise of online engagements with regards to restaurants. What we also see with restaurants is that a lot of the traffic that used to be within the estate has now moved to being in a drive-through. The drive-through orders are now contributing just over 26% in most fast food restaurants. So technology in that regard is quite key to ensure that you have the right drive-through, a drive-through that is smart and has analytics that enable you to know the peak times in which you need to ensure that you have enough staff, etc., and all of those things. So the analytics that go into the system and how the system aids you in forecasting and operationalizing your team is quite key. The biggest challenge was really how quickly they could pivot from a traditional operation that we had pre-COVID to having this business that now is largely contactless, using aggregators, your own app as a restaurant, creating a campsite solution. And some obviously to reconfigure their stores to be able to create drive-thrus and all of those things. So the industry had to really reimagine itself, how they would operate and continue to actually sustain their businesses. So it has been a bit of a challenge, but I think by and large, most of the restaurateurs have been able to do that. Some of the technologies that we're introducing today is, and again, this is no different from what's happening globally. The use of kiosks, it's on a rise. We are launching one of our kiosks that will be taken to market as of this month. But apart from that, we have gone and actually took a payment device and integrated order taking into that payment device. And this is one of the innovative solutions that we are launching this month as well, which will enable our customers to be able to take an order, take a payment, and close the check in the kitchen in one device. Mobile, being able to move around the restaurant where your cashiers and your be it the barman, the hosts, etc., they can walk around these devices, take orders from the patrons.
So the PAX device is a payment device, okay? So it's a payment device running MicroSymphony, okay? So your point of sale data and all that data from enterprise gets synced through the PAX device. So what's nice about it, it's not two different places to manage prices, menu items, whatever. Okay, so basically what happens is your employee will sign in Accepted. Okay, and then when I go send order, immediately it goes to my kitchen. Okay, so there's no delay in any processing of transactions. So it's immediately available in my kitchen, but it's also immediately available on the point of sale system. So, okay, so it goes to my credit card because it's a credit card machine. Tap and pay. And it closes off the check. Okay. Cashier gets a receipt, you get a receipt that you can give to your clients, depends on operation.